Okay, so we are going to be presenting light therapy for SAD, and this is going to be done by, or it is done by me, Andrea, Stephanie, and Jennifer.
Yeah.
Stephanie, please no. So, going on to SAD. SAD actually stands for Seasonal Affective Disorder, and this is a type of depression. Okay, so what is SAD? SAD is a depression that has swings that occur during or after months that have a lack of sunlight, and this typically starts in the fall and it continues through into into winter, And our good moods are when there is sunlight out, and we usually get sad when it starts raining and it's cloudy and gloomy. Okay, so here we have Stephanie depicting a sun, which makes us feel in a good mood. And then she is drawing here clouds, which represents how the weather gets bad. And it affects our mood and we become very sad and depressed. So moving on how to treat SAD. So a way to treat SAD is with light therapy. And this is used because artificial light mimics the sunlight and it is generally safe and has very few side effects. It can be used in place of antidepressant medication if someone can't consume them. And it can increase the effectiveness of antidepressants if you are using them, and it allows for a lower dose of these medications. So that's you being happy because you have your light therapy. So what does it do? It tricks the body into thinking that it's absorbing vitamin D and receiving sunlight. It can also help treat several types of depression that don't occur seasonally. Some of the other things that it can help you with is help you recover with jet lag or any sleep disorders you may be having. It can also help you adjust to any nighttime schedule that you might have if it's for work or it's just how it happens and you just usually work during the night. Here we have Stephanie drawing Z's for your sleeping schedules and a clock if you have any trouble adjusting to any time zones, and then her weird airplane for the jet lag. So for it to work effectively, the light needs to enter the eyes indirectly. Some believe that tiny beds and spas have the same effect, but it doesn't because it just has the skin exposed to a light that does not result with the same outcomes. And if you do it right, your energy goes really high up, which makes you be in a good mood. So some side effects, there isn't much. Include eye strain, which is why you have to use it correctly, and sometimes you can get headaches because of it, or sometimes feel nauseous. Here we have Stephanie drawing tired eyes because your eyes are strained if you're not using it correctly. And then that's someone with a headache, but it doesn't look right, so then I erased it and I redrew it and mine looked way better in my poker face. There we go. And then Stephanie thought it would be a good idea for nausea to have it with vomit, and that's vomit coming out of my poker face. And then that's oh, when you feel when you feel irritated, sorry. Okay, so overall, light therapy can be used to treat seasonal affective disorder or SAD and other symptoms and other depressions that don't occur seasonal.